Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all: time management. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to juggle a busy life, mastering your time can make a world of difference. Let's get started with our 5 steps to effective time management. Step 1 is to set clear goals. Without a clear destination, it's easy to get lost in the daily grind. Start by identifying your long-term goals and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to learn a new language, break it down into tasks like complete 1 lesson a day, practice speaking with a partner once a week, and so on. Having clear, actionable steps makes your goal less daunting and more achievable. Remember, your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures your goals are realistic and trackable. Step 2 is to prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent and important, while others can wait. Use a prioritization method like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize your tasks. The Eisenhower matrix divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Focus on tasks in the first 2 categories. This helps you make the most of your time and avoid last-minute stress. By prioritizing, you'll be able to tackle high-impact tasks first and make steady progress toward your goals. Step 3 is to create a schedule. A well-structured schedule is your roadmap to productivity. Start by blocking out time for your most important tasks and stick to it. Use time blocking techniques to allocate specific periods for different activities. For instance, dedicate your mornings to high-energy tasks like brainstorming or writing, and afternoons to meetings or administrative work. Also, don't forget to schedule breaks. Taking regular breaks can actually boost your productivity and help you avoid burnout. Step 4 is to eliminate distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. Identify your biggest time wasters and find ways to minimize them. Turn off non-essential notifications, set specific times to check your email, and create a clutter-free workspace. These small changes can have a big impact on your focus and efficiency. Remember, it's about creating an environment that supports your productivity, not hinders it. Step 5 is to review and adjust. At the end of each week, take some time to reflect on what you've accomplished and what needs improvement. Ask yourself what went well, what didn't, how can I improve next week? This ongoing process of reflection and adjustment helps you stay on track and continuously improve your time management skills. Effective time management is a journey, not a destination. By setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, creating a schedule, eliminating distractions, and regularly reviewing your progress, you'll be well on your way to mastering your time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on productivity and personal growth. And let us know in the comments what's your top time management tip. Until next time, stay productive and make every minute count.